How do I update the email address associated with my Apple ID from iCloud to Gmail?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to update the email address associated with your Apple ID from iCloud to Gmail. This is an important step if you've decided to shift your primary email account, or if you prefer using Gmail over iCloud. Let's dive in.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is your personal account that gives you access to Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. Your Apple ID consists of an email address and a password. You use it to log in to all your Apple devices and services. It's important to keep your Apple ID information up to date for security purposes and to ensure that you can access your Apple services without any interruptions.
Accessing Apple ID settings.
To change your Apple ID email address, you first need to access your Apple ID settings. Here are the steps. 1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, open the Settings app. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access the Apple ID settings. 3. Tap on Name, Phone Numbers, Email.
Changing your Apple ID.
Once you've accessed your Apple ID settings, follow these steps. 1. Under the section, Reachable at Tap, Edit. 2. Tap Delete next to your iCloud email address. You may be asked to confirm this step. 3. Tap Continue to confirm that you want to remove the iCloud email address. 4. Next, you'll be asked to enter a new email address. Here, input your Gmail address. 5. Tap Next. 6. You will then receive a verification code in your Gmail account. Enter this verification code on your Apple device to verify your new email address. 7. After entering the verification code, tap Next again. 8. Your Apple ID is now associated with your Gmail account. Please note, if your Gmail address is already associated with another Apple ID, you will not be able to use it for your current Apple ID. That's it. You've now successfully updated the email address associated with your Apple ID from iCloud to Gmail. Remember, keeping your Apple ID up to date is important for maintaining access to your Apple services and protecting your account. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.